In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can take your VHS tapes and convert them into digital using a capture card like this. Stay tuned. Now, to get started, the tools that you're going to need to convert over your VHS tapes into digital, you're going to need a capture card like this one. I picked this up for $8 on Amazon. There's all different kinds out there and they all basically work exactly the same way. So as long as you have a capture card that will take RCA in like this does and convert it to a USB like that, then you can use this method. You also are going to have something to play your VHS tapes, like a VHS player. It doesn't necessarily have to be a VHS player. It could be a DVD player. It could be a camcorder that has the RCA hookup. It could also be an old video game system if you want to. And the software we're going to be using is free. It is called OBS that will allow you to record your screen, record what you're seeing, and will also connect it to your capture card. So let's go ahead and get this set up. So right now we're actually inside of OBS, which is this product here, and this is the icon for it. Now the download for OBS is in the description below, so in case you want to obtain this yourself, you can. OBS is basically a screen recorder, and it is also it kind of acts like a camera itself. So as long as you have something plugged into your computer, you can make or create an instance of using the capture card that you have right here as a camera. So what you do, first off, make sure that you plug in your capture card into your computer and it's going to automatically come up and register it. And inside of OBS, all you have to do, you want to create a new scene, which I already have one here. You just click add, name it whatever you want. And you want to add in a source. So if you go down here to your sources, hit add, and then you're going to go to video capture device. This is going to be a camera, or in our case, a capture card. We're going to go ahead and hit add, and you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to hit OK, and it's going to come up with several selections for you. And the one that I am going to be using is AV to USB 2.0. And this right here is going to be our adapter. So at this point, all you need to do is plug in your VCR or whatever you want into your RCA adapter here, and then it will have a video feed. So I'm going to go ahead and plug those in here. Okay, now that we have this hooked up, we have everything going where it needs to with the RCA. I don't know if you can see this, it's kind of low on the screen, but there it is. You can now see that we have a blue box on our recording. Now, if you want to change the resolution of this, all you have to do is go down here to the little gear icon whenever you have your video capture selected. You can go in to custom resolution and you can change this to whatever you want it to be. So 720 by 480, you can even go like up from there. It really depends on the scale that you want it to be. Most VHS players are going to be in 640 by 480, but you can make this whatever you want. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit OK, and now we can test out to see if the video works. So it has a blue screen, so it should work. I'm going to go ahead and hit play on my VHS player. And it should. Seems like it's working. Okay. Now, you may notice that you don't have sound. Sound is something that we need to add in. So we're going to go ahead and we can click the little plus button here. Then we're going to go into audio input capture. Looks like a little microphone. We're going to click that and then hit OK. We are going to select our video capture device, which for my case is going to be AV to USB 2, and we're going to hit OK. Now, as you can see, it's pegging right here, which means that it has audio coming in. but we can't hear it. Now we could hear it if we started hitting record. So for instance, we're going to hit record right here, start recording, and we're going to hear a little bit of it whenever we finish off. So if we hit stop, we can go into our videos here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there's this one.
Brush on canvas. It's free and expressive.
But what happens whenever you want to listen to it while you're watching it? How you do that, you just click on your audio device here on the side where it says Audio Input Capture 2. Click the little gear icon. Go to Advanced Audio Properties. And then inside of Audio Input Capture 2, you're going to see the audio monitoring. It's set to off. All you have to do is turn this to monitor and output. And as soon as you do that, you're going to be able to hear what's going on.
And enjoy what could be a lifetime of painting pleasure. The first of my instructional materials, of course, are my Joy of Painting books. Which
now I'm going to go ahead and stop this. We don't need to hear that anymore. I'm going to mute this as well. We don't need to hear that. Okay, we're going to cover how to record. So all you have to do is put in your VCR tape, VHS tape, whatever it is, or your camcorder, and just hit play. Make sure that it is in fact playing, and then all you have to do to start recording is just hit start recording. That's it. Now make sure that the audio is on, because if it's not on, then the video is not going to have audio. Obviously you want it to have audio.
Painting in my technique,
and we're just going to hit start recording.
Each volume contains...
I'm going to turn it down on my end so we don't really hear it as much. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do from this point is just watch the video all the way through, and you have your converted over VHS tape or whatever you want into digital. Where is it saved to? Very easy. It is saved in your videos. By default, you just scroll down to your videos and there's your videos that you have recorded. That's pretty much it. Now there is a little bit of troubleshooting that I want to step you through with this process, because sometimes OBS gets a little confused, and let's say you have everything set up just right, you close it down and you open it back up, and then all of a sudden your audio does not work on OBS whenever you're converting over a VHS. How do you fix that? Well, instead of going back in and changing all those settings and redoing all of it again, there's a really quick fix that I have found if that happened. All you have to do is go to your video capture device, hit the little gear icon, and go to crossbar, and there's going to be two little drop-down menus. You drop one of them down, select a different one, and then select the first one that was on there. So say that it had option A on the selection. You drop that down, click option B, and then go right back to option A, hit OK, and your audio will work perfectly fine. And if I can get a screen recording of this before I put the video up, then I'll show you how to do that. And it's really simple. Anyway, that is the quickest way that I found to fix that bug. Thank you all very much. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that maybe you're going to be able to convert some of your old VHS tapes or family recordings or something like that over into digital. Thank you all. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope this was helpful. Those videos keep coming up.